In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom letterhead in Microsoft Word. A letterhead gives your documents a professional appearance and is often used for business correspondence, official letters, or personal branding. Creating a custom letterhead in Word allows you to include your logo, company name, contact information, and design elements in a consistent format. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new blank document. The first step is to decide on the layout and content for your letterhead. Typically, a letterhead includes a logo at the top, your organization or personal name, address, phone number, email, and sometimes a website. You can also choose whether to place the information at the top, bottom, or both. Start by inserting your logo. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click on Pictures. Choose whether to insert an image from your computer or an online source. Once the logo is inserted, you can resize it by clicking on it and dragging the corners, and reposition it by dragging it to the desired location on the page. Consider aligning it to the left, center, or right, depending on your design preference. Next, add your text information, such as the name, address, and contact details. You can type directly into the document or use a text box for more precise positioning. To insert a text box, go to Insert, select Text Box, and choose a simple style. Enter your information, then format it using the Home tab. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment to match your branding. To give your letterhead a more polished look, consider adding lines, shapes, or color accents. Go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose lines or rectangles to separate the header from the body of your document. You can also use shading or borders for additional visual effect. Be careful not to make it too busy. The design should complement the content of your letters, not distract from it. Once your letterhead is complete, you can save it as a template for future use. Go to File, click Save As, choose Word Template from the Save As type drop-down menu, and give it a name. This allows you to open a new document with your letterhead ready whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to make a custom letterhead in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.